Hi, my name is Megan Schisler. I'm an audiologist in the audiology department at Murfreesboro Medical Clinic. Today we are going to talk about how and what we do when we do a hearing test. So today we're going to test our patient. We're going to go ahead and enter the booth. Just watch your step heading in there. All right, and the first test we do is an otoscopic evaluation where we look in the ear canals to make sure there's no wax or anything that could intrude the hearing test or your hearing. All right, I'm going to take a quick peek. Looks good on that side. And that looks good as well. The next test we do is something called tympanometry, where we evaluate the eardrum movement to make sure there's no fluid present inside the eardrums. All right, in this test you're just going to feel a slight pressure change. Sit nice and still. All right, and that eardrum looks good. We'll go ahead and do the second ear. All right, no pain, everything look good? Okay. All right, so this is the part where we actually do the quick hearing test. This is the part where you press the button on the beep, even if the beeps are very quiet. Now, do you feel like you have a better ear?
Probably this one.
All right, we'll go ahead and start with that ear, and then we'll move over to the other side. All right. And these foam earplugs actually expand in the ear. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so this part of the test is where we test a patient's pure tone. We want to make sure we get the lowest level a patient can hear, and that gives us the degree of hearing loss. So we go through a series of beeps. We make sure a patient hits the same beep 3 times to make sure it's an accurate threshold. We will start with one ear and then we'll move over to the other side once we finish our graph. All right, so the second part of the test where we do a word list and we have some words repeated back to us. Can you hear me okay? All right, say the word I say. Can you say baseball, cupcake, hot dog, cowboy, birthday, toothbrush, hot dog, cowboy. Say the word met. Say the word jar. All right. Last but not least, we do something called bone conduction, which is another beep test. All right. We actually have one more quick test to do. Okay. You're going to need that button again. Now this part confuses patients because we actually put something behind the ear. It's called bone conduction. Now you're going to hear the beeps again. This time it doesn't matter which ear you hear it, just press it when you do. Okay. All right, last test, okay? All right, and that concludes the hearing test.